I'm just now taking down my flexi rod set. Hi loves, it's Claudia here in Claudia's Universe, and welcome back to my channel where it's always a delight to have you with me. I'm going to show you what my flexi rod set looks like at 10:10. Ooh, that is a blessed time. Just like 111, which is my blessed 3-digit number, January 11th, and a sign of angels. But nonetheless, it is 10:10 p.m. and I'm just now taking down my flexi rod set, but that's okay because I love to beat a face any time of the day or night, and it was my delight to put this look together without finishing it up so that I could finish it up when I take down all of my flexi rods. Well, 2 days ago to be exact, I co-washed my hair with several products that I'm going to leave in a picture here. I changed the picture and put in another moisturizer, and I will show that picture to you as well so you can see what I used for this regimen. So no, I did not film all of these flexi rods to be put in. I figured I'd show you what they look like here and then take them down, style it, and finish the final look so you could see what this look looks like. Now, a beloved friend of mine gave me this as a gift. It's lots of flexi rods, and I don't even know how many were in here. All I know is that there are 8 left in here that I couldn't put in my head. I probably could have put them in right about in here, but maybe next time I'll do that. So let's go on and get this video done. Now, I noticed that a lot of the girls here on YouTube, the women and girls who do the flexi rod, I don't see a lot of them using the paper, but I have to use the paper just because it helps protect my ends a little bit better, and it's only one there, one little strand. So yeah, I'm going to always use this end paper. And not only that, I have so much of this end paper that I have not used in so long. I love that I waited to take these out. So I've been sleeping on these for 2 days. The only thing that I don't like is that I think I put too much coconut oil, organic coconut oil, on my hair, my strands, when I was blow drying my hair. Hey, hermana, ¿cómo estás? I am going to finish this video tomorrow morning because that way before I go to work, I will pull the curls apart and let it bounce. Well, it does have bounce now, yay. But the curls are soft, and I know they're oily, but look how soft the curls are. Look at my glow. My glow is certainly up. Glow up, kilowatt glow. Good morning, loves. I am spiraling this out so you can see how long it is. That's how long it is. That's how long it is. A length check. Let's do that too. So the bottom part is down here beyond my collarbone. But remember now, in my big chop, when my sister cut it in 2016, the back was longer than the top. So there it is, right there. But I would still say it's short, but that's okay. I love it. And I'm just pulling it out a little bit more to get a little more volume. There it is, some more curls. And I picked it up. No, I did not go with gelling my edges. I'm like, no, I am not going to gel my edges. My edges are curly, kinky, coily, just like the rest of my hair. And they're slayed already. They're nature slayed. Oh, it makes me wanna dance, dance, dance. My dance video went up at 8 o'clock this morning. So you guys need to go check it out. Hopefully this one will go up on Friday or Wednesday. I don't know how it looks back there, so don't drag me. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I love you. See you next time with hair, natural hair, makeup, lifestyle, fitness, food. Bye.